Good morning, students. Yesterday we saw a few questions of exercise 3.3. Now further we'll move. We'll see question number 5, page number 54. And question says, a fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator. And if 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Very easy question. Find the fraction. Let the numerator of the fraction be x and denominator be y. So original fraction will be x upon y. Now what two conditions are given? Follow that. Question says a fraction becomes 9 by 11 as per question. First condition of the question, as per first condition of the question, what says? Fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and denominator. That's very simple thing. Numerator is x. When 2 is added to both numerator as well as in denominator, new fraction becomes 9 by 11. 9 by 11. Very simple sentence. When 2 is added to both numerator and denominator, fraction becomes 9 by 11. So don't go further. First simplify that. Cross multiply to 11. 11x plus 22. Cross multiply to 9. It's a 9y plus 18. Finally, you would have 9y is equal to 18 minus 22 is minus 4. Now, as per second condition of the question, what you would have? Read it. If 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. When 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6, right? 5 by 6 here. 5 by 6. And now go on that by similar method. Cross multiply to 6, it is 6x plus 18. And cross multiply to 5 is a 5 plus 15. I would have 6x minus 5 is equal to 15 minus 18 is minus 3. It is equation number 2. Now the method you already know, substitution method. I will go with this. And for that you can go by any equation like first or second. Suppose I am choosing first. By 1, what says? By 1, you can choose any value, like I am finding y. 11x plus 4 transfer is equal to 9y. And I get from here y. Y is equal to 11x plus 4 upon 9, which is equation number 3. Now put this value in equation number 2. Put this value in equation number 2. Equation number 2, what comes? 6x minus 5y. What is y? 11x plus 4 upon 9 equal to minus 3. Or take an LCM here. 9 multiply to 5 in the numerator side and take also the LCM. The LCM is 9. 9 6 are 54x. After multiplying minus 5 in this, it's a minus 55x. Minus and plus will be minus 5 4s are 20 equal to minus 3. These two will be minus x. Minus 20 is equal to this transfer minus 27. So minus x is equal to minus 27 plus 20. So minus x is equal to minus 7. X is equal to 7. That's very simple. Now put x equal to 7 in that equation. By third, guys, y is equal to 11 into, instead of x we'll put 7 plus 4 upon 9. Y is equal to 77 plus 4 upon 9. Y is equal to 81 upon 9. Y is equal to 9. So lastly I would say that what is your real fraction? Fraction is x upon y. So your x upon y will be 7 upon 9. That's an answer. So hope it's very easy. You got it properly. And now view for 2 or 3 times, you can get it easily. Okay, students. Now we'll move on next. Student, the last question is on you. Do it if you are not able to make. you can consult with me. It's age concern questions, I think very easy. Next I will use the method, I will teach you the method, elimination method. Now try to catch the concept. Elimination method. Now till now you have read two methods. First graph method, second substitution method. Now it is elimination method, and fourth one is a cross multiplication method, which already have been eliminated from your new syllabus, so you don't have to worry about that. Elimination method, what says it is? Okay, so it's very clear with the name elimination, meaning you have to eliminate the terms like the coefficient of x or some terms of x. If you will eliminate the term of x, you will get y. If you will eliminate the term of y, you will get x. So okay, let's see that how we can eliminate the terms. I am taking one example, and through the example I will teach you the proper method. Look at this two. We have two equations, first and second, and slowly I will teach you that how we can deal this. Elimination method, meaning you have to eliminate either the term of x or term of y. So think about that what you want to eliminate. Suppose to eliminate the term of y. Look at properly, I tell you. You want to eliminate the term of y. If you will eliminate y, you will get x. How we can eliminate term of y? So that actually you have to make their coefficient equal. Try to hear me, try to catch me. You have to make their coefficient equal. This is 3, this is 6. So they are not same. So we will try to make them same. I have one more trick. In rough copy, take LCM of 3 and 6. And one should know it is 6. It is 6. LCM of 3 and 6. The LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. Again hear me. In rough work, find 3 and LCM of 3 and 6, which is actually 6. And what is the meaning of taking LCM? What is the answer? 6. We will try to make these two as equal to 6. Meaning, if it is 3, if it is 6, what is the LCM? 6. We will try to make both of them as 6. Now, it is already 6. So, we need not change it. But it is not 6. We will change it. So, how it will become 6? We have to multiply by 2. We will have to multiply by 2. It is already 6, we need not change this whole equation because it is already 6. But it is not 6, we will try to make 6. How it will be 6? We will multiply by 2. So I will write multiply by 2 in equation number 1 and enough because it is already 6. When you will multiply by 2 in whole equation, it will get 2 2s are 4x plus 2 3s are 6y. I suppose to take here example, extra question I am taking you. Suppose it is 7. Suppose it is 7. What comes? Multiply by 2 in 1, this equation. 2 7s are 14. Comes 2 3s are 6. 2 8s are. I took extra question from my side just to tell you the method. Look at method. 2 7s are 14. 2 3s are 6. 2 8s are 16. Now it is same. I think you are getting me. Now it is 6 and 6. Both are same. Look at now. Both sign are equal. You cannot cancel it until and unless the sign will change. Meaning it is plus, they cannot cancel. We have to change their sign. Meaning we have to subtract. I will write subtract. The subtract meaning, what is the meaning of subtraction? You have to change the sign. What is the meaning of subtraction? You have to change the sign. And why I am changing the sign? Because this is plus and plus, they cannot cancel. So this plus will become minus. This is plus, here plus it has become minus, and now it is plus, it is minus. I ask you one thing, that what is the sign of 4x? Now not plus, it is minus. What is the sign of 6y? It is minus. What is the sign of 7? It is minus. Now these two cancel because it is plus and it is minus. What about that? Front of 14 it is plus sign, it is minus sign. So 14 and 4 will be 10. Sign of big number normally use. Equal to plus and minus will be subtraction. 16 minus 7 will be 9. So answer will be 9 by 10. Now put x is equal to anywhere where you like most. suppose by 1 I'm choosing, by 1. 7x plus 3y is equal to 8. You can also take this equation also. Now x is equal to 9 by 10 plus 3y is equal to 8. This is 63 by 10 plus 3y is equal to 8. So 3y is equal to 8 minus 63 by 10. 3y is equal to 80 minus, take an LCM here guys. 3y is equal to, this is 17 by 10 and so y is equal to 17 upon 3 times 30, and that's the answer. So this is x and this is y, it's final answer. So this was a method. Okay, with this let me explain something. If you supposed to have here 2 and it is minus, suppose it is 5 plus. Now how will make this question? First of all, think to which you want to make equal. Meaning, either you can make equal the coefficient of y you can make equal, either you can coefficient of x you can make equal. I have thought that I want to make them equal. So first in rough copy, take LCM of 5 and 2. So what is the LCM of 5 and 2? 10. 10. So I will make this equal to 10 and this is 10. So think about how we can make this 10. We have to multiply by 5. And how we can make this 10? We have to multiply by 2. Meaning I will multiply by 5 in equation number 1 and multiply by 2 in equation number 2. When it will be multiplied, it will 10. When it multiply by 5, when it will be multiplied by 2, it will be 10. So don't worry about plus and minus. Don't include that plus minus here. And now do what I have taught you. Multiply by 5. Do multiply. 5 7s are 35. 5 2s are 10. 5 8s are 40. Do multiply. 2 4s are 8. 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 7s are 40. Now, what you are going to do? In last question, we had a plus plus. So it was necessary to change the sign so that I had written subtraction. The subtraction meaning not subtraction, but the subtraction meaning change the sign and then deal with this sign. Now this time it is already plus and minus, so you need not change the sign. So you can write add. So what is the meaning of add? Add meaning you need not change the sign. You need not change the sign. Not meaning add or something like add. If I have written add 10 plus 10 20, don't write. Don't be foolish. The addition meaning you need not change the sign. Whatever the sign here, you can operate with this. Like this is plus and this is minus, cancel. This is plus, add 8 5 43x. Now this is plus, add 54. X is equal to 54 upon 43. Now rest is the same. Put x equal to anywhere and find the another variable. So hope student you got. This is very simple idea. First choose that which you wanna cancel. I have one more method. Suppose you wanna cancel x. Suppose you wanna cancel the term of x. So how you will deal? First take an LCM of 7 and 4, which is 28. So we'll make them equal. How it will be 28? Multiply by 4 in whole equation. And how it will be 28 multiply by 7 in whole equation and get answer. So this method is very important. One more question. For understanding properly. Suppose 2x plus 4y equal to minus 1, and suppose it is a 3x minus 6y equal to 2. This is a very good question. Now suppose you want to cancel y. So what to do? It is 4 and 6. What is LCM of 4 and 6? Don't write 24. LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. And you know the method how to take an LCM. So it is 12. So we want to make the coefficients equal to 12. How it will be 12? You have to multiply by 4 3s are 12, 3. And how it will be 12? You have to multiply by 2. So multiply them and get your answer. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 2 6, sorry, here something I'm taking 4 is something like that. Okay, 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4. Now, what to do? The plus and minus already they change sign. You need not change the sign. So what you should write? Addition. Addition meaning you need not change the sign. And now cancel and follow the sign. Like 6 plus 14 or minus plus Please don't confuse that it is written add, meaning that you just have to follow the sign minus and plus, meaning subtraction 1. X is equal to 1 by 14 and get answer. So when x equal to 1 by 14, you can put anywhere and get the value of 5 easily. Okay students, hope you got what I wanna explain here. Now I'll move on some questions of your book. Suppose I wanna do one question of the exercise 3.4. Exercise 3.4 telling you second question. 3x plus 4y equal to 10. 2x minus 2y is equal to silly one. 2x. Normally this kind of equation should not be there because it is all can reduce by dividing by 2. It should be x, it should be y, it should be 1. But okay, if it is given, we have to go with this. Like what? It is equation number 1, equation number 2. So think that to which you wanna make equal, to which you wanna cancel. Suppose that I wanna cancel the term x. We can think. You also can cancel to the term of y. Okay, I'm cancelling term of x. You can practice for y. Now 3 and 2. First I'll take an LCM. You know the LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. So I will make it is 6. It is 6. How it will be 6? You have to multiply by 2. Multiply by 2 in equation number 1. And how it will be 6? Multiply by 3. Multiply by 3 in equation number 2. Now 2 to 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 10s are 20. Multiply by 3 here. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. Now both are equal. Now look at the sign. Plus, plus. They will not cancel. So we have to change the sign. And whenever we need to change the sign, what I will write? Subtract. Subtraction meaning this plus will become minus. This is plus and this is minus. Now it is plus and it is minus. Cancel. It is plus and it is plus. Add. It is plus, it is minus. Subtract. Y is equal to 14 upon 14. Y is equal to 1. Now put y is equal to 1 anywhere, like y1. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. Put y is equal to 1 here. 3x plus 4 into 1. 4 ones are 4. And then 3x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 by 3. X is equal to 2. So it's very easy, I think. You also can make their coefficients equal. You also can cancel to the term y. So I have taught you this x and you can try from your side the term for y. So okay student, this is good enough for the today. We have learned a lot and we have learned the method. You go through this and try to make initial 4 question of first question, and rest of the board problem we'll see tomorrow. Thank you.